Ever had that heart-stopping moment when you delete an important file and think it's gone forever? Maybe a crucial work document, cherished photos, or a project you've spent hours on. Well, guess what? That file might not be lost forever. Hello everyone, it's Josh here from Stellar, back again to resolve your queries. In this video, we're diving into the fascinating world of data recovery, how deleted files can be brought back, and how software like Stellar Data Recovery can do the magic for you. So, what exactly is data recovery? Simply put, it's the process of getting back lost, deleted, or corrupted files from storage devices like hard drives, SSDs, USBs, and even memory cards. It could be because of an accidental delete, a system crash, or even a virus attack. Here's the good news, your data isn't necessarily gone for good. When you delete a file, it doesn't actually vanish. Instead, your computer just marks the space as available for new data. Until something else overwrites that space, your file is still recoverable. Think of it like a book. Deleting a file is like removing its chapter from the table of contents, but the actual pages are still there. And that's where data recovery software comes into play. Data recovery tools work by scanning your storage device for these invisible files. They use advanced algorithms to locate and reconstruct them before they're overwritten. That's why the sooner you act, the better your chances of getting your data back. Time is critical. Now, if you want a fast, reliable, and super easy way to recover your files, Stellar Data Recovery is the perfect tool. Let's see how it works. Step 1. Select what you want to recover. First, choose what type of file you need. Documents, photos, videos, or select all data if you're not sure. Step 2. Choose where to look. Next, pick the storage location where your file was lost, your PC, external drive, or memory card. Then hit Scan. Step 3. Let the software work its magic. Stellar Data Recovery will deep scan your drive, searching for every trace of your deleted files. And yes, it even works on formatted or corrupted drives. Step 4. Preview and recover your files. Found your lost files? Simply select them, hit Recover, and save them to a safe location, preferably not the same drive where they were lost. See, losing files doesn't have to be the end of the world. With the right tools and quick action, your data can come back to life. So if you ever need a reliable recovery solution, Stellar Data Recovery has got you covered. Link in the description. Did this video help you out? Hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you've ever successfully recovered lost files. See you in the next one.